Hi everyone, in this video I will explain to you a guide for beginners on setting up Call Hippo. First is to sign up and create an account. Visit Call Hippo's website and click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your business email, verify it and follow the prompts to create an account. Second is buy a virtual phone number. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard and select the country you want the phone number from. Purchase a local, toll-free, or international number based on your business needs. Third is add team members. Go to the user section and invite team members by entering their email addresses. Assign roles and permissions to each user as necessary. Fourth step, configure phone system settings. For example, call forwarding. Set up rules to forward calls to different numbers or devices. On voicemail, customize voicemail greetings and manage voicemail settings. On call queuing and IVR, create call queues and configure interaction voice response systems for efficient customer service. Next is integrate with tools. Call Hippo integrates with CRM and productivity tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, Slack, and Zapier. Enable this from the integration section of the dashboard. Step 6. Make your first call. Use the Call Hippo app on desktop, mobile, or via a Chrome extension to start making and receiving calls. All communications happens over the internet, so a strong connection is essential. Step 7 is to monitor and manage calls. Utilize features like call recording, analytics, and call tracking to monitor performance and optimize communication. Now for its key features. Power Dialer. Automate outbound calling for efficiency. Smart Call Routing. Automatically direct calls to the most appropriate team member. Call Analytics. Track metrics such as call duration, missed calls, and agent performance. And that's basically it.